Aquarius. This is your channel messages for the 11th of April. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aquarius, and let's see what is up for you. Aquarius, let's go. First card out is the Knight of Wands. So I'm getting, okay, I'm getting dating. I'm getting something sexual. I'm getting the fire sign is coming towards you. So this is either somebody you have dated once in the past, or I'm getting somebody completely new. We have the Five of Pentacles. I'm getting somebody it's either you abandoned them, you left them unread, or you just never talk to them ever again. I'm getting Knight of Wands, Five of Pentacles. Now this could be something about Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm getting somebody homeless, or I'm getting someone has to file for bankruptcy, or somebody just not doing well right now. We have the Three of Wands. Yeah, either they went to foreign travel and now they ran out of money, they have to come back home, or I'm getting somebody don't have money to come home. We have the Page of Swords, and we also have the Four of, yeah, you can't go back home. We're getting something about Leah having we're getting something about financial struggle when it comes down to maintaining somewhere to live. We're literally getting you homeless, but you're looking on places you can rent. You're looking, maybe you're manifesting this. I'm getting something about Aries, Leo, Sagittarius man. I'm getting if this man did ever turn him back on you. I'm getting know him and go through it. Like somebody could have left you homeless. I'm getting know it happened to them. And I feel like somebody feels shitty if I come back to you and say, hey, can I have your help? Knowing that they are the ones who put you in the exact same position, but I guess you found your way out of it. I'm getting somebody not doing well. Maybe somebody intentionally wants you to not do well because them see you with a housing situation. Whoever this is, it could be somebody online. I'm getting them to see a housing situation and them don't like it because them don't have anything or them have less. So now them want to take it from you, or I'm getting they did it to you in the past. No, Saturn is coming back around. The Knight of Wands is clarified. Yeah, I'm getting them abandon you when you needed them, when you had nothing. When you begged them for help, when you asked them for help, they went in their car and they drove off. And them said, I don't know if they said no. Me getting this person abandon you. Them literally could abandon you while you was in the struggle. Yeah, they don't want struggle. They don't want no bitches who struggling. They need bitches who will go 50-50 with them. They need bitches who can keep themselves afloat and looking good while you can just show up and spread your legs for them. They ain't trying to take care of you. They ain't trying to put you somewhere. Five of Pentacles, yeah. Was that the deal? The deal was to make somebody homeless? Or me getting you turn your back on somebody for a job opportunity. Your job was like, listen, business is booming, you know, all the bitches want you. So you see that person who you was with before you had everything? Yeah, poverty does not look good as a date on the red carpet. So it's better you choose somebody else. Why don't you choose someone at your work that's more fitting for you? Well, if you were involved with a co-worker, something happened, you lost a job, you lost a contract, you're homeless now. The Three of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. You know you need help. No, you want somebody to reach out. You turn your back on somebody at least twice. Or somebody turn them back on you twice and they expect you to reach out. You're not that desperate. Maybe somebody expect you for, maybe you were left in the Five of Pentacles. Somebody expected you to reach out for help. So them can spit in your face. So them can tell you, say, oh, go for it. Me getting them to go through the same thing right now. The Page of Swords is clarified by the Death card. Yeah, me getting them in a debt. Me getting bankruptcy, or me getting them whole shit to go shut down this summer. This summer, they're going to be struggling this summer. If there was any summer them never struggle, this is the year them are going to struggle debt. Me getting somebody left you for dead. Them literally leave you for dead. Maybe them left you while you were... Maybe you were having mental health issues. Yeah, them don't want to deal with that. Them don't want to deal with nobody with no mental health. Them too, I can't. I got work tomorrow. The Death card, yes. No, somebody going to go through the exact same tower. Yeah, because I'm getting you were alone. Maybe it's skinny. You never have nobody. You never have nothing. But let me tell you something. The mad man, the homeless man, the impoverished man, the man who full up a demon, him still find him way inside of a place of reverence. Yeah, death. Somebody I got through death, or I'm getting somebody got file for somebody business where shut down. I'm literally getting somebody left for dead. The Four of Wands is the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, and they leave you for dead. Now you have a house. You see? You see how things work? We have Five of Pentacles 2 times. Aquarius, the star. Yeah, maybe it's decide to follow your dreams. The star, you don't have nothing for lose. What you have for lose? You don't have nothing for lose. What you gonna lose? A house, you've been homeless. What you gonna lose? Men turning them back on you, you've been single. You've been going through the struggle alone. Now you have a house. Now you're not on the street. You have somewhere to lay your head. I'm getting the Leah got through the same thing. Because when you did homeless, them never want to help you. When you was needy and I begged them for help, them no want to help you. Now the tables are turning. I'm getting someone's like, you know, this person would have never said no to me, so I know I can ask them, but I feel guilty because when they asked me, I said no. Do not make a man run you from him house 2 times. Don't make a man leave you and turn him back on you twice. Do not make a man tell you 2 times him don't want you. I'm getting maybe you do have a heart, Aquarius. And maybe you don't want to see somebody go through the struggle because you can help, but they never help you. So, you can't expect somebody to be loyal to you. You're not loyal to them. Yeah, we have illness. Somebody literally could be going through. I'm getting somebody wasn't doing well and you turn your back on them. Maybe you were poisoning them. I don't know what you did to them. But the death card. We're getting someone was ill and you're like, I can't deal with that. That's not my responsibility. It's true, it's not your responsibility. But you could have just cared. We have PhD doctor. Yeah, it wasn't your responsibility. I ain't taking her to the doctor. I ain't even suggesting that. It ain't my responsibility. She needs to figure it out for herself. He needs to figure it out for himself. Okay? But when you see the star being the star, do not call them back. Yeah, religious agenda. Not sure what the fucking church have to do with this. Unless who you deal, you're evil. Yeah, I don't know what the church have to do with this. Maybe you wanna, I don't know, maybe you're dealing with somebody religious. Maybe somebody feel like you're evil so they never help you. Okay, that's great. That is perfect. All I'm saying to you is that when you get on, everybody who say you're evil, make sure you turn your back on them too. Aquarius. Because I'm getting your new beginning is not going to be like everybody else's. I'm getting you went through something terribly. I'm getting a lady turn them back on you, or maybe perhaps they put you there. What goes around always come around. Aquarius, I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.